Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get back your public profile on Snapchat. First, make sure your account is public in your settings. You also need to be at least 18 years old to have a public profile. Additionally, confirm you have more than one subscriber. These are essential prerequisites before proceeding with the next steps to regain your public presence on the platform. Once you've met the initial requirements, open Snapchat and go to your profile screen. Look for the three dots icon, usually located in the top right corner, and tap it. From the menu that appears, select the option to Create Public Profile. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize this process and establish your public presence. After creating your public profile, you can easily manage its settings. Go back to your main profile and tap on your public profile card. Here, you can edit your bio, add a location, and update your profile photo. Remember to adjust your privacy settings to control who sees your stories and other content, ensuring your desired level of visibility. If you encounter any issues, first try updating your Snapchat app to the latest version available. Sometimes, a simple update can resolve glitches. If problems persist, don't hesitate to contact Snapchat support for personalized assistance. They can help troubleshoot specific account issues. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.